Welcome to Garbage Collection. Automate memory management efficiently. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without automatic cleanup, you'd have to manually free every object you create. How does Java clean up unused memory? Manual memory management is error-prone. Memory leaks cause crashes. Forgetting to free wastes resources. Garbage collection automatically reclaims memory from unused objects. How is garbage collection used in the real world? Web applications. Clean up user session objects. Mobile apps. Free memory from old screens. Data processing. Remove temporary data structures. Garbage collection powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without garbage collection? Manually freeing memory for every object created. Look at how messy the code gets. Manual memory management errors. Memory leaks accumulate complex error-prone code. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Garbage collection. Look how clean the code is now. Automatic memory cleanup prevents memory leaks. No manual deallocation. Compare the difference. And that is why we use garbage collection. Let's see how to implement garbage collection in code. Here is the implementation. Create class. Define example class. Create object. Allocate memory for string. Reassign reference. Old object becomes unreachable. Request GC. Suggest garbage collection. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What triggers garbage collection in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is JVM decides when to run GC automatically. Which objects are eligible for garbage collection? Which one is correct? The correct answer is objects with 0 references are eligible for GC. What does system GC do? Which one is correct? The correct answer is it's request, not a command. JVM may ignore it. When is object eligible for GC? Which one is correct? The correct answer is local variable, s, becomes unreachable after method ends. Here is a challenge for you. How many objects are GC eligible? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.